Hello, in this video I'm going to show you a very unique MACD strategy, and it's a bit different than other MACD strategy from other channels, so make sure you watch the whole thing. So first you need the MACD, okay, default one is this one, and the setting is 7, 19, and 7, and then you need RSI, okay, it's this one, and the setting is 55. All right, 55, and I changed the color a bit and turned this off. And then you need supertrend. Okay, it's this one, and I use default settings. Don't change anything. Okay, so the RSI is a long-term trend indicator, and the supertrend is a short-term trend indicator. Okay, so if the RSI is above the 50 line, it means it's bullish, and if it's below the 50 line, it's bearish. So basically, when the long-term trend says bullish, but the short-term trend is bearish, that's a good place to buy. Okay, so here we have a buy signal. Okay, so basically you want the MACD to cross up from below the zero line. Okay, cross up, and the super trend is red. Okay, the super trend is red, but the when you have the signal, the RSI is above the 50 line. Okay, you see the number here. Okay, so it's above the 50 line, and another criteria is, okay, between here the signal and the last time the MACD is crossed down. Okay, here, okay, between here and here, the RSI must be below the 50 line. Okay, so it drops 50 here a couple of times. So here and here, okay, it dropped below 50. So this is a valid buy. All right, so you can buy this. So you can target 1 to 2. So the stop loss is logical swing high, swing low. Okay, so you can target 1 to 2 or whatever. All right. Okay, so here if we see the RSI is above the 50 line. All right, it's above the 50 line, and the super trend is red, and then we have a cross up from below the zero line. Okay, but this is not a valid signal for this strategy, because if you see here and here, okay, the last time it crossed down, the RSI is above 50 the whole time. Okay, so you want the between here and here, you want the RSI to drop below 50, and the reason we don't take this is because if the RSI never dropped below 50 between here and here, it means the price is very bullish, and there is higher probability that the price will reverse, or if the price continue upwards, there will be like a deep retracement. Okay, so we don't take this. Okay, between here and here, the RSI must drop below 50. Only then we can take buy. Okay. Okay, so for sell, it's the opposite. You want the MACD to cross down from above the zero line, and the super trend has to be green, and the RSI must be below 50. Okay, so here we have a signal, and then another criteria is that between here and here, okay, the last time the MACD crossed up, okay, between here and here, the RSI must pierce above the 50 line. Okay, so we see it goes above the 50 line here and here. Okay, so this is a valid sell. All right, so you can sell this here. Okay, target is last swing high, so it's a bit subjective. So you can target 1 to 2 or whatever. All right, and then we have another sell here. Okay, it crossed down from above the zero line, the RSI below 50, and super trend is green. And between here and the last time the MACD crossed up, okay, the RSI must pierce above the 50 line. So if we see, okay, so it pierced above the 50 line here. Okay, so we can sell this. All right, so if you don't understand, just ask me questions down below. Okay, just comment down below. Okay, so your stop loss may be right there, so target 1 to 2 or whatever. And here, do we have a sell here? Okay, the supertrend is green. You have crossed down from above the 0 line, and the RSI is below 50. Okay, but if you see, okay, between here, and the last time the MACD crossed up, so okay, so it's here and here. The RSI never pierced above the 50 line. Okay, so if you see the number here, it never go above the 50 line. Okay, never go above the 50 line. So this is not a valid sell signal, and the reason behind this is that the reason why we don't take this, because if you see this, it means the price is very bearish, meaning the price might the bearish trend might be already exhausted, and there is higher probability the price will reverse. Okay, so that's why we don't take sell when the RSI never pierces above the 50. Okay, so we don't want to sell this. All right, so if you like the video, please subscribe, and thanks for watching.